Howdy y'all, Fuzzy Biker here. Look what I got tonight. Just got done, put about 100 miles on this today, among other motorcycles. But I got this windshield on here this evening and took it out for, I don't know, 20, 30 miles additional. And the old one got trashed when I crashed the bike last July. But anyway, really happy to have it on. It's tested to 100 miles. Stayed on just fine. Anyway, the bike just runs like a champ. I did catch a little air on the front wheel tonight with between first and second gear. We're going a little bit uphill, going a little bit of clutch, but that hot rod just runs. What a fun bike. Absolute fun. Great night for a ride. The temperature is probably in the 80s, low 80s, high 70s. Just absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful bike right there. Isn't that just a neato motorcycle? Anyway, all that's left to do is put away the tools, get out there and ride. Wahoo!